Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure coming to you once again from my kitchen, and today I'll be sharing with you a really delicious buff recipe. I have two ways of achieving this, and if you want to find out how to make the most delicious super yummy buff, why not subscribe to my channel, like and share this video so you don't miss out on all my amazing content. And let's get straight into this video. So guys, I just wanted to grab a cup of coffee or cocoa because it's about to go down. I'm about to blow your mind with this really exciting recipe. So right now I just added in some sugar and water, and I'll stir that in and allow that stand for 5 minutes. And into my flour just added in some salt, nutmeg and sugar, and I'll mix really well. And it's time to add our wet ingredients. In goes my milk, vanilla, cooking oil, and you can see the yeast, it's bloomed up, it's alive, it's bubbling, and I'll just add that into my wet mixture and I'll mix really well. So I'm just gonna go in with my spatula and I'll just fold and cut up until it's well combined. It's almost ready. So it's well combined now, and I'm just gonna cover with some clean film and I'll allow that stand for 1 hour. You see, it's doubled in size, it's fluffy, it's well aerated, and this is the outcome of what you're looking for, guys. See, it's so stretchy and the texture is just absolutely gorgeous. So this is the outcome we should be looking out for. I'm just going to divide my batter into 3 equal parts and I'll flavor them right now. I just added in some cinnamon and I'll mix really well. And it's ready. I just added in some Christmas spice. This is homemade. I just added in some ginger, some cayenne pepper, some cinnamon and some nutmeg, and I mixed really well. And it's time to fry our batter. In goes our batter. You want to preheat your oil for 10 minutes. Before you do that, a medium heat, and I'm just going to use my hand and create little balls. So it was a little bit challenging using my hand because you need to be fast enough to ensure that your dough cooks evenly with every other. So this method not so good for me, but anyway, I just want to show you guys how it's done. So you have to really master the act of using your hands to create balls. So you can see it's looking really gorgeous. I love the beautiful color. It's so yummy, and we're just gonna allow that fry up until it's golden brown. So you just want to keep an eye on it while you fry. So it's just gonna cook for like 5 minutes, and we just want to flip it over, and it's ready. It's ready, guys. It's so gorgeous, guys. I love the beautiful golden brown color. That's the first method you can use to fry a buff, but there's more, guys. There's more coming. Hope you're excited to see. And for the next method, we'll be using a piping bag and cooking scissors. So you just pump it off the piping bag and you cut it up with the scissors. And this is the best method for me. It's easy and it gives you evenly shaped, smaller puff. Really like this. So I think this is really user friendly. So guys, if you want something really easy, I think this is the best method to use. So that's it, guys. I'm just gonna cut up all the batter into the cooking oil and it cooks really fast. So I'm just gonna flip it over so it cooks on the other side. It takes really little time to cook. I cooked for less than 5 minutes because it's a smaller size batter. So guys, if you really love this, there is more. I have more. I'm gonna give you my own take on how I think puff should evolve. If you want to see that, then keep watching. It's ready guys. It's the taste time. I cannot wait to see what's inside. Oh my goodness, can you see how fluffy and soft this is? It is amazing, guys. You have to try this recipe. And ladies and gentlemen, I give you the new face created by Moa of the Nigerian puff. If you want to see this recipe, keep watching. So into my flour, I just added in some salt, some sugar, and I'm adding my wet ingredient now. I added in my yeast, an egg, and cooking oil, as well as my vanilla, and I'll just mix all that really well. So I'm just gonna go in with my hand and just mix up everything really well. So we just want it well incorporated. So guys, I hope you will like this new face, new look of the Nigerian puff puff. I created this recipe most especially for my new brides. If you're going to be a new bride, you want to take this recipe out to your caterer and you want something exciting, you want your small chops to be different, this recipe is for you. So guys, it's ready now. We have to leave this to rise for 45 minutes, and after 45 minutes, it's ready for rolling. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some flour to my chopping board and we're just gonna roll this out. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some flour to the dough so it's easy to work with, and that's it guys. I'll just stretch it out. So I'm just gonna roll it out. You can see the dough is still stretchy, so this is exactly the consistency you should be looking out for. And we just roll that out. That's it guys. So I'm also just going to cut with my nozzle. I'm just going to cut in small circles, so whatever you have in the kitchen will do. So that's it guys. And it's ready guys. So I'll just allow that stand for 15 minutes. We just want to proof it up again. We want it to rise up again, and it's ready for frying. So you have to preheat your oil for 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat, and you just introduce your balls in there and it's just gonna fry up. We want it golden brown and delicious. So guys, I'm just flipping over back and forth to ensure that I have an evenly brown puff puff. I'm really excited guys, you can tell from my voice, it's amazing. I had so much fun creating this recipe. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and let's become a family. You can see guys, it's ready guys. I cannot wait to taste this. It's so gorgeous. And it's the taste time. Oh my gosh, can you see how soft and fluffy this is? So guys, I'm gonna fill this up with some strawberry jam. I'm gonna show you how to plate it to make it really fancy. Can you see the jam inside? It's so yummy guys. And there is it guys. This is how you can plate it. You can coat it with some chocolate and some sprinkles. So guys, I love this method really well because it's less greasy and you can do a lot with it. So I hope you try this recipe guys. I love you so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.